Hello everyone, for today's magic card trick tutorial, I thought it'd be a neat trick to show you that's pretty easy to do. It's a little bit easier than another version that I did on this channel earlier, a couple weeks ago probably. So it's just a nice, quick, and easy trick. So you have a regular deck of cards, well mixed, well shuffled. Have a spectator just go ahead and tell you to stop as you go through the cards like this. Let's say they stop you right there. Go ahead and look at that card, remember it. Don't show you, etc., etc., etc. Okay, now you can lose their card somewhere in the middle of the deck, shuffle the deck as many times as you want, cut the cards. It doesn't matter, the cards are well mixed, okay? Now, what you're gonna do is take the two jokers, okay? These are just standard jokers from the deck as they come. And if I just dribble the cards through like this, I can catch one card in between the jokers. What was the card that you selected? Was it the 9 of spades? And that's easy joker catch. Now, before I show you how to do it, please, as always, like and subscribe to this video and channel. I really appreciate it if you haven't done so already. I'd also like to give a shout out to my channel members. I really appreciate you guys. And if you want information on how to become a channel member and what comes with that, just go ahead and click on that tab on YouTube and it gives you all that information, okay? Also, check out thebestmagicshop.com where you can find some awesome new magic tricks, accessories, shirts, bags, and more for yourself or anyone who just likes magic. All right, easy joker catch the tutorial. It's a very simple method. You're just gonna need to force a card and have a duplicate of that card available, okay? So I think I forced the 9 of spades, so we'll take that, and I just used a Hindu shuffle to force a card. So that starts off with the force card on the bottom of the deck. And there's many different ways you can force a card. I have a whole playlist on different ways that some use sleight of hand, some don't, some are self-working, really easy to do versions of how to force a card, okay? There's also other options. You can palm the duplicate card out of the deck, lose it, have the spectator shuffle the cards. You know, if you're good at palming, or you can lap the card, you know, to get rid of it from the deck. There's a couple different ways to do that, and it just depends on what force you use and how to control the card, okay? But for the simplest method, easy joker catch, all you have to do is just force the card, and then you have a duplicate 9 of spades already ready, and I just place that. It's on the bottom. You have two jokers from the deck. They're just regular jokers, and then the duplicate card, okay? You can place these on the table, okay? There's two cards there. Don't do that. Just place them down on the table so they stay in vision the whole time, okay? So you have your deck, your force cards on the bottom. I did the Hindu shuffle. Like I said, you can take cards out of the middle and do a Hindu shuffle before you do the trick. You can shuffle the cards as long as you keep that 9 on the bottom, okay, over and over and over again, so it looks like you're mixing up the cards. Then when you go to force the card, the Hindu shuffle is just taking cards off the top of the deck like that and letting them drop in your hand, and you just do that over and over and over again. Just looks like this. You're just taking cards off the top and letting them drop. Take comp, let them drop, and then have the spectator tell you when to stop. They stop you at any time. You show them this card, which is the bottom card. It's been there the whole time. Lose it in the deck. Now, because I didn't palm it off or anything like that, I just shuffled it over and over and over and over again. But if you wanted to control that card to the top, then palm it off, or to the bottom and then palm it off, or the top and then lap it, you can do that too, okay? It's up to you. Now, all you do is you just take these 3 cards now, you have the joker, and just peel the top card off, show the second one, and then just hold the 3 cards in a middle grip. This is a double card on the top, okay, with the 9 of spades in the middle now, and then this joker's just on the bottom, okay? So if I turn them over, it looks like that. Now you just hold these cards, pick up the deck, and then just dribble the cards down, and as you do that, you go in through like this, and as you're going in like this, just separate the cards with your, this is my right hand, just with your fingers, and it'll look like you've caught a card, you know, in between those two jokers, okay? Just like I showed you, and then you can show, boom, the 9 of spades, okay? So that's just an easy way of doing a joker catch. You're forcing a card, catching it in between two jokers that have been in sight the whole time. And like I said, there's options to, you know, palm off the card or ditch it somewhere in your pocket or in your lap if you want. And then you have a clean deck with no 9 of spades, and then you can use this to complete the deck after you've ditched the other one, okay? Let me know what you think. It's nice and easy. Hope everybody's enjoying their summer, and until next time.